Hey guys, and welcome to the first episode of standardized EV test. It's gonna be 170 kilometers to Tsunoshima. We're gonna follow all the traffic rules and we're gonna use the AC and so on. Today is very hot, 34 degrees in Celsius, and this is our first car, Toyota BZ4X. So our conditions for the start: trip is reset, no percentage, so we will use the kilometers, and maybe I will try to find the percentage in the app. The AC gonna be 24 in the summer, and all the climate gonna be on auto mode, because we are testing in the real conditions, right? Because if you pay this money for the car, you will not sacrifice the comfort, right? You will not just drive in a all eco modes, no AC and so on, right? So everything's reset. We have 170 kilometers in front of us. I will now connect the CarPlay and let's go. So after a little bit of time, our average consumption resetted, and it's 4.9 kilometers per kilowatt. Different notations. Traveled almost 3 kilometers. The range dropped. 82 kilometers one way and almost 2 hours. I've set up my Insta360 Go 3S, gonna be here, and we'll have time lapse during the video. So if you like this, please stay. If you don't, please use the chapters. Okay guys, we are halfway through, 41.3 kilometers out of 82, 83, and the stats are like this. We are still going up and down the mountains. The average speed we go in like 50-60 kilometers an hour, because this is like the legal limit here in Japan on the regular roads. I'm trying to use the cruise control as much as possible, and we are climbing again. Yeah, so see you maybe in 20 kilometers. Okay guys, we are another 20 kilometers in and only 22 kilometers left. The stats are like this: 4.8 kilometers, and we are now traveling more or less on a flat road, but if you can show the road, we're always up and down, because these are the roads in Japan, basically like this. Okay, see you in 20 kilometers on our destination. I chose Tsunoshima to use in our test because it has beautiful view. In our prefecture, Tsunoshima is famous for the views and this bridge. It has only 40 kilometers an hour speed limit, so you can drive and watch around to this beautiful sea. You can see the color. It's absolutely amazing, so please enjoy. guys, we arrived with these final stats. So we traveled 83 kilometers, this is our average consumption, and this is estimated range. And it's pretty hot now, 32 degrees Celsius. Yep, and the view is beautiful. So we're gonna walk a little bit and then go back. Unfortunately, we couldn't walk enough because a lot of beaches there were paid to entry. And I didn't want to pay, so we decided to just walk a little bit around and go back. Okay guys, we are more than 20 kilometers from our turnaround point. So now it's 106 and again we are climbing. But the average consumption like around 6 kilometers. I changed the AC a little bit because it became a little hot, and we still have 59 kilometers to go back. And I will see you in 127 mark. In this part of the video I want to give some comments about the car. Fortunately, I was lucky enough to have this car in Toyota Share app in my city, and on the weekend we have pretty good discounts on it. Not because I'm an influencer or something, but because just discounts on the weekend. And overall I think it's a great car. Yes, it has problems and I would not consider it for myself because I don't see enough value, like price-value ratio, and it's a good car, but I really don't like the build quality. Yes, those black plastic trims creak, squeak, they always dirty and they are all around the car. And also the car has like 20,000 kilometers on it and already has big amount creaks, squeaks and rattles. So yeah, it's a good car, but the quality, it is not here yet. And for the price, the value is also not here yet. Please don't get me wrong, this car is not bad. I'm not saying that this car is bad. It is good, but the prices are not here yet, right? We need a little bit lower prices for this car. For next part, please listen to this car because it will be clean, no comments, pure audio from the car. And if you don't like it, please use the chapters. Okay guys, we are 128 kilometers in. These are our stats. Temperature is the same, and we have 36 kilometers to go. And I think this will be our last turn in during the ride, because like we have only like 36 kilometers to go. And the next one will be already on our final destination point. And these are our final results. 166.8 kilometers travel to Tsunoshima and back, and we have left 204 kilometers based on this guessometer, or let's call it like that, yeah. The most important here is 6.3 km per kilowatt hour average consumption. You can see the other notations on your screen, and very important distance error. Because a lot of time you need to guess like how many kilometers you actually can travel. This time only 3.6% error, or like almost 6 kilometers. I don't think it is bad. I think it's okay. Okay for almost 200 kilometers trip. What can I improve in this test? What should I add? What information do you want? please let me know, because I want to improve this series, because it's gonna be serious. And thank you for watching. See you next time.